Welcome to Oropa Estates, an exceptional residential development in Committee 20, Tema. Built upon our experience in high-quality property creation and in collaboration with Consal Limited skillful contractors, we have designed an innovative development to meet demands of safety and quality living second to none. Oropa Estates consists of two types of residential villas, the type A and the type B. Each villa is built to an exceptional standard. Facilities include stunning living areas with granite staircase to the spacious rooms and magnificent bathrooms. All sanitary appliances are suspended off the floors. Our villas come with beautiful fitted kitchens, self-contained boys' quarters. Built for comfort, our villas have extra features which include under-roof concrete slab to prevent fire and enhanced thermal insulation, trip switch for electric safety. Sanitary appliances are all Class A brand from Italy. Solar panels fitted with a tank reservoir of 300 liters. Extractable ladders for access to the roof and storage space. Fully fitted air conditioners, fully fitted wardrobes, water tank, and a water pump. Completed with thoughtfully designed gardens, all within a secure and serene gated community, and situated right at the only exit onto the Accra-Tema motorway, our beautifully appointed villas meet the high standard expected of such development. Oropa Estate will be an optimum living experience. Once again, you are welcome.